Hello everyone, this is Secret Empress Tarot. This will be reading for the month of November from Aries to Pisces. This will be reading for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And in case if it doesn't resonate, please check your other sign. And I hope it resonates. Thank you. Let's start your reading. Hello Aries, let's start your reading. On the month of November, it will be all about flirting. It will be all about energetic month. I see you getting to know new persons in your life, dating them, and it's all about passion in the month of November. And main thing is that when you make a decision, a major decision, it's good to postpone for the next month. I don't see it's a good idea to make a decision in the month of November, especially on the date of 30th November. So be careful about making some kind of a major decision. So let's see what you can expect for the month of November. You got Two of Wands. You got Ten of Cups. Five of Coin. And the King of Wands. So what I say is that regarding a situation or a person, or it can be anything, regarding anything which you are waiting for a long time, I think it's better to wait till more, not to make a decision here regarding moving forward there. And you see whatever the situation is, you see it as an emotional fulfillment, or you see it has a wish fulfillment thing. But I see you just take a time to make a decision, because in case if you make a wrong decision, it can lead to a very wrong thing. And for example, in case if you make a decision regarding that, you may feel left out, or there may be some kind of a backstab, or someone may cheat on you. So just be a bit stagnant. It's okay if you be stagnant, if you just keep a situation stagnant. But I don't see it's the right thing to make a decision when it comes to a situation, and when it comes to other perspective, when it comes to your family, when it comes to your loved ones. So I see you, if there's an idea of making something or moving forward. For example, if it comes to our loved ones, if you want to move forward, if you want a commitment with them, I think it's better to have a bit step back and a bit making yourself a time to analyze the situation here than making a major decision or sudden decision here. So it's right to step back and just give a time regarding a situation. Maybe you're going to get a certain information here, so just step back. When it comes to a family situation, in case if it's like you have to buy a property or something, let's take you want to take some kind of a property, or you want to give certain property to someone. So it's right to just step back. It's right to delay a situation or a thing here and just postpone to next month. I think so it's very good to postpone next month. Just take a time and just postpone, because I think that in case if you make a quick decision, you will land up to Five of Coins, which is like making a wrong decision and you feel very regret regarding that later. So just step back, and you can see a King of Wands is turning back towards a Five of Coin, and he's just waiting for this. He's just waiting for this thing, right? He's just waiting. He's not moving forward, but he's just waiting. In case for some people, in case if it's like a marriage, it's like your children's marriage, it's better to make it a delay than making a strong decision. So that's what I see. Let me see what you can expect when it comes to a career path. Okay, In case in career people are not seeing your work, not seeing your effort, I see in the month of November they are going to look at your work, your effort, and they're going to encourage you a lot and appreciate you. And in case if there's no equal give and take in when it comes to like office or something, they're not giving money, but you're working but not giving much money, I see there's an improvement in that. I see they're increasing our money, salary or something like that. And when it comes to like be aware of one person in your life, like if there's a co-worker or someone you have trusted a lot, just be aware of them. They may cheat on you and this may hurt you a lot. Just be aware of them. They may come towards you for money or for attention or something, but just be aware they are very secretive person. They may hurt you a lot in the month of November. So be aware of those persons in your life. It can be a one person or group of people who adores you and they come towards you, but they're going to hurt you for sure. So be aware of that. So that's what I see, Aries. I hope it resonated. Hello Taurus, this is your reading for the month of November. So in the month of November, in the Scorpio season, I see that you feel a bit hard. You feel like whatever you have to do, it's very hard. You feel like whatever you want to get, it's hard. You're never going to get it. So it may feel a bit difficult in the month of like half of the month of November, as it is a Scorpio season. And when you enter to Sagittarius season, it will be very light and you feel like all burden is just out of your shoulder and you feel very enthusiastic and you feel very calm and you feel very rest. So I see you in the like half of the month, you feel like very burdened, you feel like the work, whatever you're wanting, it's not going to work out. But when it comes to Sagittarius month, when it starts like November 21st, I see you just feeling very light. You feel like nothing. You feel like everything is coming towards you. You feel like it's very easy. So that's what I see. So let me see what does cards have for you. Okay. You got Knight of Cups, Knight of Swords, Eight of Swords, and the Tower. So what I say is that Taurus, on the month of November, if there's anything which is making you stagnant or which is stressing you a lot, I see you just ending those things. When it comes to a person or love life, in case if you're offering emotions and all, I don't see you offering any kind of emotions in the month of November. As you're very stressed, you're turning back from that. You're taking action towards any kind of a stagnation here. In case if you are stuck in a connection here or a cycle and you're not able to come out, I see you taking action towards that in the month of November and just having a Tower moment coming out of that. So it's all about transformation from being stuck to moving forward. So it's all about forward movement. You are making your own path and not letting anything to make you stay. And for some, when it comes to a family situation, in case if it's like, for example, it's a quarantine and it's like you're not able to have money and all to take care of your family, if there's a stagnation where you're not going for a job or anything, I see you just stepping out from your comfort zone and moving forward to take care of your family. I see you moving to get a job and just having to take care of your family and just working on yourself and no more being lazy. I see you just putting work and moving forward. So that's what I see. When it comes to like friend situation. If there are some friends in your life where they are making you very stagnant, they're not letting you to move towards a success. I see you just getting rid of them, just letting them go and just moving forward. So that's what I see. So let's see what do you have in the career wise. So when it comes to career wise, in case if you have a lot of work, there's a lot of responsibility you're taking. I don't see you just keep on taking responsibility. I see you just being very burdened. And in case it's like people are coming towards you and offering you so much work, you may have taken it in the past because of you may be you may be not thinking logically. Instead, you may be very emotional towards them. You may have felt like they are your friends and you have to take that responsibility. But when it comes to November month, you're no more taking responsibility. Instead, you're just leaving this burden and being very logical and just cutting those work. You're trying to have a little work or little responsibility so that you can do that responsibility 100% than taking all the responsibility and not giving attention to any of them. So I see you just taking a certain responsibility and working on that and releasing all other thing as you are just thinking in your logical side and having a practical energy and having a organizing thing alignment and just working on that. And I see you moving towards that and getting a victory or moving towards that and wanting a victory regarding that. Whatever you do, you're expecting a victory. So that's what I see. So that's what I see, Taurus. Hello Gemini, this is your reading for the month of November. So for the month of November, I see that like half of the month, like Scorpio season, I see you just taking rest, just healing yourself, not putting work regarding anything, just taking care of yourself and stepping back. When it comes to like November 21st onwards, that is Sagittarius season, I see you taking charge regarding any kind of a stagnation in your life and just as you have healed in the month of like half of the month of November, I see you then gaining an energy and moving forward and taking recharge in the like mid month of November, that is Sagittarius season. So that's what I see. So let me see what you can expect for the month of November. Okay, Gemini, you have Page of Cups, King of Swords. For some, you may be dealing with air sign. Nine of Pentacles, Three of Wands. So what I say is, Gemini, is that you can expect an apology from a person here who may have done you wrong. They may have realized their mistake and you can expect on month of November they coming back and apologizing you. But what the thing is that I see you just turning back from them, just cutting them out of your life and just taking care of yourself, and you're having a forward movement. That's what I see. You're having a forward movement and choosing to be single, independent and stable. So the main thing is that you're choosing to be stable here and not letting your past person to enter your life. or any kind of a person. It can be a loved ones and anyone, or a cousin, or it can be a family member. I don't see you letting them in. So that's what I see. It's all about forward movement. You're cutting off any kind of a people who don't serve you anything and just moving forward and choosing to be single. So that's what I see. So let me see your career thing. Okay. Gemini, when it comes to your career, you may have not seen things so clearly. You may feel like there's some kind of a missing information or something. But I see you in the month of November seeing everything clearly around you. It can be a person, it can be a work or anything. And you are ready to invest, and you know where to invest. And I see you just investing on that and just not accepting an offer which doesn't serve you anything. So you have realized a situation, or it can be a new job opportunity where you may feel like you don't know about that in the present, but in the month of November I see you just getting a realization that it doesn't serve you anything and just investing your energy towards somewhere else. For others it's like a situation, if it's like a co-worker or someone coming and offering you a work or offering you something, you realizing that they are not good for you or they are not wanting good for you, and you're not investing there, instead you're investing somewhere else. So that's what I see. For others it can be truth coming out in the form of message or a communication where you're going to realize that this is not good for you. So that's what I see, where I see that you can see clearly that what you really want, and you can see clearly that people who are not good for you, everything. It's all about clarity, getting a clarity in the month of November. So that's what I see, Gemini. Hello Cancer, this is your reading for the month of November 2020. So in the month of November, I see that you're being very stressful, especially stress coming from your family or from your friends. So that's what I see till now. And I also see that you being very hopeless, and you're feeling very low, and you feel like you can't do anything. So be careful when it comes to your family or friends. The way they talk or the way they take action towards you, you may feel like you're not good enough. So I see that. So be careful regarding that and just be very confident for the month of November. So let me see what you can expect for the month of November. Okay. You have Knight of Swords, Eight of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and the Page of Swords. Okay, Cancer, what I see is that you are taking action towards a situation where you're wanting to give a second chance. You're wanting a second chance or wanting to move towards that which you have already dealt with. It can be a family situation or a friend situation or a loved one situation. So you want to take action towards that, and you want to just wanting to make things right when it comes to them. But the thing is that be careful about your words or taking action, the way you take action. This may hurt other person, so just be aware of that. For others, because I see like Knight of Swords and the Page of Swords, which is not a good energy, I feel, when it comes to action or something. It is like possessive, or it can be like being very harsh towards an individual here. So I see you just taking action towards that. Messaging, it can be like messaging, or it can be like talking to them, or directly taking action, being very arrogant. Just be aware of that. And you are taking this action because you wanting to make things right here, but the way you take action, I don't think so it's right. It's not correct. For other opposite person, they may feel very hurt here, so be careful about regarding that. For some, there's an opportunity granted regarding a second chance, but I see you just wanting to take action, but still you have a bit doubt within you that whether whatever you're doing it's right or wrong. So I see you taking action with a conflict. You don't know whether it's right or wrong, but I see you taking action. When it comes to a family situation, I do see that you're wanting to have a different rule or different way of making things in family. For some, it can be like culture or something. You want to change a traditional thing here, but the way you're taking action, it's not right. So that's what I feel for some. So let me check your career thing. Okay. Cancer, be careful regarding your career or any kind of a job. You are already feeling burdened by the work you already have, but I see you just not caring about the burden you have. Instead, you're working more and just ready for other responsibility or taking other responsibility. You know that you have a lot of burden, but you're turning back from that, just not concentrating on those burden, just wanting to work on other things. So just work on the things which you already have, and just have a victory in that, and just then you move to the other works. That's what I feel there personally. There can be a new opportunity coming your way, but you're taking all the responsibility or all the opportunity here instead of working on towards your opportunity you already have. So be aware of that. That's what I see. Yeah, that's what I see, Cancer. Hello Leo, this is your reading for the month of November 2020. So what I see is that when it comes to your family and friends, they are going to be very close in the month of November. You can feel very close, very happy. They may show you a lot of attention or a lot of care and affection in the month of November. So that is a good thing. And plus, you can also feel a very big passion towards an individual or towards a career path. So, whatever you're passionate about, I see you just feeling very hopeful to take action towards that. So, that's what I see. So, also, like, I see an encouragement when it comes to your family and friends, when it comes to the work, everything. So I feel like it's good to take action towards the things which you are very passionate about. So let me see what you can expect for the month of November. For sure, there's a new opportunity coming your way for the month of November. Yeah. You have Ace of Coin, a new opportunity coming your way. That's what I told. Hierophant, feeling very stable enough. King of Wands, a passionate person who is ready to take charge of a thing. and Three of Cups, a celebration. You have got a very good cards. So let me start. There's a new opportunity coming your way, Leo. There can be a commitment or an offer coming your way, and you are ready for that because already you are success. Already you have healed yourself. You are feeling very good enough. So there's an opportunity coming your way where you are feeling very success. When it comes to your family and friend situation, there's a lot of celebration, lot of positive outcomes coming your way. So there's no need of worrying for the month of November. As I see, luck is on your side for the month of November. For example, if it's like a third party situation where a person is already dealing with someone else or was dealing with someone else, I see them choosing you instead of them for the month of November. I see that. I see you feeling very passionate regarding a situation here, feeling very passionate regarding an offer or opportunity, regarding a commitment or something, and I see you taking that opportunity for sure. So let me see what you can expect regarding career for the month of November. Ace of Cups. Okay. Wow. Career thing will be too good for the month of November. Career, emotions, when it comes to family, friends, and loved ones, it will be good. Equal give and take will be also be followed. So that's what I see. You like I see when it comes to your career, I see that there's an opportunity coming your way, and I see that people are going to give you a lot of attention, a lot of encouragement or appreciation for the month of November for the work you have done. And I see that there's people who have hurted you or who have literally not given you so much encouragement, instead they have discouraged you. They are coming with an offer like apology or coming with emotions telling that they are wrong and you are right. So they're accepting the defeat and they're coming towards you. I see a victory for sure for the month of November when it comes to your career part, and you feel very emotionally fulfilled that whatever you have done till now, you have got an outcome, a very big outcome, a payoff for you. So you may have felt in the past like whatever I'm working, I'm not getting any kind of outcome, and you may have felt sad, but right in the month of November, it's all about outcome when it comes to a career coin. Lot of money, unexpected money also you can expect for the month of November, Leo. So that's what I see. Hello Virgo, this is your reading for the month of November 2020. So let's see what you can expect for the month of November. So I see in the month of November it will be a very stressful month. It will be very stressful, especially for your zodiac sign. It will be very stressful. And you may feel very stressed or panicked that whatever you're wishing for, it's not happening in your favor. And especially on this chart, being stressful and feeling very low, I recommend you to just concentrate, meditate, and plus just get in touch with intuition, your own intuition, so that you are going to get a clarity or going to get a lot of confidence within you to overcome any kind of obstacles in your life. So I feel like a bit stressful in the month of November, but the good news is that I see you passing out any kind of obstacles in your life. So let me see what does cards have for you. it's a good card. So let's see. You have Temperance. For some, you may be dealing with Sagittarius, or you may have Sagittarius in your chart. Next, Knight of Coin. Nine of Coin, you have very independent energy. This is your energy. Then you have Page of Wands, a passionate thing building within you, and the Star, a wish fulfillment. Okay, there's a certain thing in your life which you feel a wish fulfillment, or you feel that that is a one for you, or a gift from a god or a divine. You know that, right? An opportunity or something. But what I see is that you're walking away from that, or trying to disconnect from that, and trying to be single, independent, and just have a balance. It's like you're trying to be in a comfort zone, and you're trying to be single within you and just having a balance within you. So that's what I see. And I don't see you grabbing those opportunity which divine has granted you. It can be an Aquarius you're dealing with for some people. You're not trying to move towards an opportunity or grab any kind of a new thing in your life because you're scared that whether will I go imbalance. So that's what it's scaring you. So you're trying to be single, you're trying to walk away or run away from any kind of an opportunity or new thing in your life. When it comes to your family situation, there's like something is granted for you when it comes to like property or something which is like literally makes you happy, but you're not wanting that. It can be like emotions or something they're granting you or trying to be close to you, but I see you just disconnecting from them and trying to be single. So that's what I see for some people. So let me see what you can expect regarding a career situation. Okay, Virgo, when it comes to your career situation, what I'm getting is that I see you taking action towards so many things in your life, being stable and wanting to start new things, new career, new job, or new, like, it can be studies also, it can be education also. But what I see is that you're putting effort and just losing hope and leaving that and moving forward and moving towards something. I don't see you completing that because I don't see you having a interest regarding that. Plus, I see you just losing hope regarding that. It can be a slow process, like step by step process, and it can have a very big result in the future. But instead, you are like being very impatient and you're being like, I don't know, like that, right? I don't see you that you are putting any kind of more action. Instead, you're putting only less and you're expecting more. So that's what I see. In case if you're not expecting what you have invested, for example, you have started a YouTube channel, you have just invested a time and effort in that, you have put some videos, but you're not getting a growth. So you're just losing hope and just leaving that YouTube channel. So what is divine is trying to tell that if you be putting effort regarding a situation, there will be a big result. So that's what I see. But instead I see you that not taking any kind of a work or putting any kind of a action regarding that. I'm just trying to just cut those work or an opportunity from your life. So that's what I see. So it's all about you not wanting to come out of your comfort zone or not wanting to put more effort than you had put before. So that's what I see personally here. So that's what I see, Virgo. Hello Libra, this is your November month reading. So let's start your reading. When it comes to your love life, it will be a very good month for sure. You're going to feel very passionate. You feel very much emotionally fulfilled when it comes to your love life, and there will be some kind of a test in the month of November where you're going to feel like a bit divine is testing you a bit. So I don't see a very big thing, but I see you just, there's a small obstacles coming your way, but I see you passing that. And whatever you are invested, I see you getting that back. When it comes to your career, when it comes to, moreover than career, I see when it comes to your love life, when it comes to your relationship, commitment, when I see you just putting work regarding that, you are getting an outcome for the month of November. So don't worry about that. But the thing is that you may be feeling very stressful when it comes to finance, when it comes to money, career, everything. I see you just feeling very stressed regarding that when it comes to your finance. So let's see what you can expect for the month of November. Okay, Libra, let's start. You got Ace of Swords. You got 10 of Coins. Three of Cups. And the Judgment. Okay, let's start your reading. So Libra, when it comes to your love life, in case if there's a decision you had to make, when it comes to whether you want a commitment or whether you want just a friendship or something, I see you making a decision regarding that. There's a decision made. And in case if there's a decision that whether to move forward towards an individual or not, I see you making a decision regarding that for the month of November. I see you taking action towards them. In case if it's like a third party situation, I see you making a decision between a person you have in your life and the person, a third party person. I see that you're making a decision when it comes to both of them. But when it comes to your family situation, when it comes to your family situation, I see you just being very harsh, like being very like truth, or being very honest when it comes to your family situation. You're taking in charge regarding that, but I see you that wanting to be organized, wanting to be very straight, wanting to be very alignment when it comes to that. If you are a father or a mother of children, I see you expecting much from your children, expecting a organizing thing from your children, and I see you being very strict regarding them. If there's any kind of an indecision or anything, there will be a decision for the month of November. So that's what I see. So let me see what you can expect regarding your career. For some, you may be dealing with a water or a earth sign, strong water or a earth sign. So that's what I see. Okay, Libra, when it comes to your career, I see a strong forward movement. I see a very strong movement here. But I see that suddenly in the month of November, there may be a emotional confusion where you may be very practical when it comes to your career or something. I see that in the month of November, suddenly you shift to your emotional side, which may put you in an imbalanced situation here. There can be a certain trigger point where you turn into a emotional part, where you may be like confused. It's all about confused. You may feel very worried regarding a career part. For some, it can be due to your friends or it can be family members. Because of them, you may be like trying your work or putting work or putting action towards a work into a different way. which may lead to a confusion. It's like you may have put work in a certain rules and regulation, but due to some changes into your work regarding your emotions or something, it can change. There can be a change when it comes to outcome or something, due to which you may be very stressed. So that's what I see. Hello Scorpio, this will be reading for the month of November 2020. So the month of November, it will all be stressful month for sure, and not only your zodiac sign, I see Virgo also feeling very stressful, and even Cancer. Till now I see this two zodiac sign feeling stressful as you are, as I see that communication planet is going to re-enter your zodiac sign for the month of November, and where you're going to overanalyze the text or a communication you have received from your loved ones or someone here, from your person. But the thing is that the good news is that there's no need to be worried. Be relaxed, as your loved ones are going to adore you a lot, or treat you better than before, or care about you more than before. So let me see, what do you have message from universe? Okay, Scorpio, let's start. You have Queen of Swords, World, Six of Swords, and the Five of Coins. Okay, let's start your reading. As you see the cards, you already will be getting to know that you are ending so many things in the month of November and moving forward. And when it comes to people who doesn't serve you anything, or a situation which doesn't serve you anything, I see you cutting that off. It's all about just cutting things, even though it's difficult for you. So that's what I see. So I see you feeling very stressed. There's the ending of cycle. It's all about moving forward. For some people, I see you moving forward, leaving a family situation or a person behind, and just moving forward to have a balance in your life. I see you being very strong in the month of November, being very arrogant, being very cut off, being very honest towards persons you're dealing with, and just ending things towards people whom you feel they are not good for you in your life, and just moving forward. You may feel a bit left out, you may feel a bit sad, you may feel very isolated within yourself, you may feel like someone has hurted you a lot, you may feel that you are alone like that. But even though the process is stressing you out, I see you coming out of the situation which has made you stuck, which has made you very much sad, hurt, everything. So I see you just coming out from that. And in case if there's a situation where you need to leave a person behind, I see you leaving them behind, even though if it's not, even though if you feel like it's not right when it comes to them, but for you it's right to leave them. When it comes to your happy life, when it comes to you being success, you feel that it's right to leave those person behind. So that's what I see. So let me see what you can expect regarding career for the month of November. Ten of Swords, endings, Knight of Wands, Ten of Cups, Eight of Cups. Okay, when it comes to career part, I see you ending a career or something which has ended. I see you leaving that behind and moving towards a new career, a new thing, a new opportunity in your life, which you feel it's very emotionally fulfilled. As you leave the old thing and move towards that, you automatically recognize or realize the thing that it was good to leave the situation behind as the new opportunity is fulfilling you. So that's what I see, and I see you putting action or work towards that. So when it comes to career part, I see you having a very big realization that whatever you have done or whatever you left behind, it's for your good. So that's what I see, Scorpio. Hello Sagittarius, this is your reading for the month of November 2020. So for the month of November 2020, from November 21st, it's your season. And the good news is you're going to feel very happy as you take care of yourself. It's all about your self-worth, and you're celebrating within what you have. You're not expecting much. How much ever you have, you're celebrating with that. And just it's all about self-worth, taking care of your thing, healing yourself, and just putting yourself first in the month of November. So let me see what you can expect for the month of November. Okay. You got 6 of Cups. The Sun. Beautiful card regarding success and opportunity. Page of Wands. And the Judgment. For some, there can be a person you're already dealt with, or this can be a past life person or a soulmate you're dealing with. I see you making decision to take action towards them, Sagittarius. I see you taking action towards them. I see you very passionately moving towards them, making a decision. In case in the past or in the present, in case if you have not made a decision, I see in the month of November, by the end of November, I see you making a decision and moving forward. This person, whoever you're dealing with, they make you very happy. You're feeling very success. You're wanting a success with them, a future with them. So I see you taking action with a passionate thing. So if there's any kind of indecision, I see you making a decision and finally taking action towards that. When it comes to your family situation, I see you that the thing you have an idea of making things right when it comes to your family. I see you doing that in the month of November. So let me see what you can expect regarding career wise. Four of Wands, Seven of Wands. Just a second. Knight of Coin and Four of Wands. Okay. When it comes to a career part, I don't see you letting your family influence your career. You're blocking your family or blocking any kind of a thing which is affecting your career. For example, in case like if your family members wants to spend time with you, or any friends or your person wants to spend time with you, I see them putting them second and just concentrating on your career, yourself first, and just healing yourself. Of course, you are putting yourself first in the month of November. I don't see you just concentrating on any other's happiness right in the month of November, because you are just concentrating on your happiness, what makes you happy, and just concentrating yourself. And there's a lot of healing involved here, just taking care of yourself here. So that's what I see. So that's what I see, Sagittarius. Hello Capricorn, this is your reading for the month of November 2020. So in the November 2020, I see you having a ego problem. Like even though you need someone's help or someone's advice, I don't see you moving towards them and asking them for any help. You have a bit ego problem. So I see you just concentrate on your ego thing. It's good to ask some people advice and help. It's not bad in that. I personally feel that. And I see you just taking break and wanting a break in the month of November, just stepping back and just relaxing yourself. So that's what I see. So let me see what do you have from cards. Okay. You have first card, Nine of Swords, Seven of Swords, King of Cups, Hangman. For some, you may be dealing with Pisces. So I see you in the month of November, for example, when it comes to a loved ones or a relationship or a connection, you may have a lot of emotion or you may be very stressed regarding a relationship here, or it can be a family situation you're very stressed about. I see you just keeping inside, not letting them know, as you have a lot of emotion towards them and you don't want to hurt them. Instead, you're keeping everything inside within you and acting like you're okay, you're fine, and just having a spiritual growth within you, just stepping back, just being within you and just getting a spiritual awakening, or it can be like seeing things in a higher perspective. It's all about healing yourself, getting a certain spiritual growth within you in the month of November. Even though you're stressed, even though you're very much worried regarding a situation, you're keeping within you, working on yourself and getting a spiritual growth. When it comes to a family, when it comes to your relationship or a connection or a family or a friendship, it can be anything. So let me see what you can expect regarding career. Okay. When it comes to your job, everything, in case if people are wanting some job and you are just roaming for job, you're not getting, I see in the month of November, you're getting a job opportunity. For others who are already having a job opportunity, there's a more options coming your way regarding career thing, regarding career. And you are wanting to choose between those career, but instead I see you just being healing yourself, and I don't see you making a sudden decision when it comes to choosing a job or an opportunity here, but instead you are taking time healing yourself and getting a clarity that what makes you fulfilled or satisfied, and then making an action towards that and just taking action towards that. That's the good thing. You're not very hurry, you're just healing yourself and just getting a clarity that what opportunity or what job makes you fulfilled and moving towards that in the month of November. So that's what I see, Capricorn. Hello Aquarius, this is your reading for the month of November 2020. So let's see what do you have for the month of November. So in the month of November, it's all about adventure. I see you just fighting for your dream, fighting for what you believe in your life, taking action. It's all about taking action towards that. It's all about forward movement. In case if there's any kind of a stagnation in the past or present, I see you just taking action. It's all about forward movement in the month of November. So let me see what do you have from the cards for the month of November. You can expect for the month of November. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I told. It's all about forward movement. You have the Fool. For some, you may be dealing with Virgo. Three of Wands, forward movement, leaving past behind, moving forward. Queen of Swords, cutting off things which no longer serves you, and it also tells about action, taking action. And the Eight of Wands, communication. The good news is, whatever stagnation in your life, I see you taking action towards that. Job opportunity also, it's good, I feel, by seeing this card. Let me see the other cards later. But when it comes to your when it comes to your relationship or a family situation, I see a forward movement. When it comes to your family, I see you taking a charge of your family, taking a responsibility when it comes to your family, and just moving forward. And in case if anything which no longer serves you, or anything which is like just not good for you, I see you cutting them off and just moving forward, not letting anything make you stagnant. And in case if you're like worried regarding communication with your person or with any family members, I see there's a communication here. You can expect a more communication in the month of November. And the another thing is that I see that whatever you're taking action towards that, you may not know whether whatever you're doing it's right or wrong, but I see you taking action, taking a risk here. So that's what I see. You may have kept this situation for the stagnant for the long time, but I see you taking action, thinking that whatever happens it's okay, but I'm going to take action. So that's what I see within you. So let me see what you can expect regarding career. Yeah, I see a forward movement for sure. In case if there's a career thing, I see if there's a conflict regarding a career or something, I see you working on that. In case it's like people are telling like it's good to do this job, the other person is telling no, that's not good, the other job is good. So if you're conflicted regarding that, I see you just putting work regarding a certain job to get an outcome, and no more you're waiting for this, instead you're working on that. So I don't see any kind of stagnant. I see you putting effort and moving forward when it comes to your job and career. When it comes to your family, friends, career, or anything, it's all about forward movement. Nothing is making you stagnant or feeling stuck. So that's what I see, Aquarius. Moving on to Pisces. Hello Pisces, this is your reading for the month of November 2020. On the month of November, I see that relationship or connection, it will be very good. There will be upgradation, there will be improvement when it comes to both. If there's any kind of a second chances, this time this connection is going to go in a positive direction. The thing is that just be aware of people around you who are very drama, who creates a lot of drama around you. Just be aware of them. So let me see what do you have regarding cards. Okay. Page of Cups. Page of Coin. Empress, strong Taurus energy I feel, or Earth's energy, and the Hierophant. So what I say is that Pisces, if there's a person in your life who has hurted you in the past, they are coming with an apology or with an offer here. But I see you investing on yourself, taking care of yourself, and being very stable. So that's what I see for some people. For others, I see that if there's any kind of a sadness or anything within you regarding a situation or a person here, you may have felt that, yeah, I should have done right to them. If you have felt that, I see you taking action towards that and offering them a commitment. For some people, in case if it's that they have done wrong, I see you turning back from them and just working on yourself and being stable within yourself. If there's option around you, I see that just choosing or being very patient, not jumping into those options, and just thinking that who will be better for you for the long term basis. So that's what I see. When it comes to your family situation, I see you just working on the things, being single, working on yourself, not letting your parents to be very stressed regarding you. You're doing your work yourself and having a peace when it comes to your family when it comes to your parents and all. I see you just having peace with them. So let me see what you can expect regarding career. Okay, there's a lot of opportunity granted for you for the month of November, but it's like you are not making a decision that which is better for you. So instead you are just working on all the option or all the opportunity here. You're taking action towards it and working on that, but you're still confused. You are like, I don't know which is going to give me output or which is going to give me a good result. So instead you're putting all work so that you can get a result from any one of them, or you can get from all the opportunity. So I see you not letting your conflict or in confusion let you back. Instead you're putting work regarding all the situation and expecting an outcome here. So that's what I see, Pisces. So